So, when I'm making videos, in this video I actually wrote stuff using letters over here. By the way, I'm also using paint, and there's many people who actually hate paint. Use something else, whatever you like, and that's just what it is. So, as I said to you, like, I pause the video quite often. And so, for example, this I now wrote, but of course I paused the video to write it. And that's also because if I'm writing something, like write, then it slows the video down, and we have these kids from nowadays, they're all these fast-paced. And also because, like, if I, for example, want to write an S and it goes completely wrong, I just do Ctrl-Z and it's gone, and then I rewrite the S until I'm satisfied with what I want. So it's not super great how I write here, but it's readable. And what do I actually use to write on? Well, perhaps you are one of the lucky people who has an iPad and knows how to use it together with your computer or whatever. So then that's also something that works. Well, I have something that's called a Wacom, and it's something that looks like this. In fact, it's exactly this. And I know that many people very much dislike these type of things, and I can understand that, because if you write on paper or on an iPad, that's way nicer. Like, in this, it's very unintuitive and like it's very annoying. Yes, that's true, but you can get the hang of it, and it's okay. It's really like, if you keep a positive attitude, then you can manage to work with these type of things. Something that you should realize is also that normally speaking, the settings are that this actually represents your screen, in the sense that if you write over here, it will always be in the same spot as on the screen, and if you put it here, it will always end up in the middle of the screen. So very often if you start using this, you think of this as a mouse or something like that, and you try to treat it as a mouse, like by moving your pen and then like going somewhere else, but it doesn't work like that. So you actually have to like know where your pen is. And then of course you have these stupid little tips, like letting your hand rest and calmly writing, and especially just taking the time to write stuff, then it works. So what I, for example, did is that I want to explain something, and then I want to write an example with a matrix, but then of course I pause the video, and then I said, I write down this matrix slowly, and then I have my matrix, and then I press unpause, and then suddenly the matrix appears. You can multiply with a vector, and you get a new vector as a result. Okay. I also had a tendency to like make things quite colorful, to use like more colors, especially if things can be confusing for students. Then just use some extra colors. Okay, but then it makes your life a little bit more colorful. So this video should be enough for you to be able to like make videos. So I hope that it will work after this chapter to make a video. And then the next chapter is like, how do I get these damn things on canvas?